Hi everyone, welcome back to my vet journey. So in this video we'll talk about the NEET 2024 expected cutoff for getting admission in veterinary college, especially government veterinary college. So without wasting your time, let's get started. Before talking about the expected cutoff, we should know that the cutoff varies every year. It changes and it mainly depends on the rank which you get, the level of difficulty of the paper, the number of applicants and many other factors. So there are so many factors which affects the cutoff. And yes, this year cutoff will definitely be different from the previous year cutoff. Since the cutoff changes every year, so we can only predict what will be the cutoff of this year before the announcement of the result or the beginning of the counseling. So we can just get an idea with the help of the previous year cutoff and we can just predict. So this video is for only that purpose, to give you an idea about the cutoff. If we talk about the previous year cutoff, that is 2023 cutoff of VCI counseling, as you can see on the screen, for general category, the last rank at which government veterinary college was allotted, it was 1,28,463. Likewise for OBC, it was 1,50,145. For EWS category student, it was 2,01,030, and for SC category it was 2,24,540, and for ST category it was 2,92,442. So these are the all India rank, the last all India rank at which government veterinary college was allotted to various category student in VCI counseling 2023. In the cutoff list of various rounds, only ranks are mentioned, no NEET score is mentioned. So we can get idea of rank, all India rank at which you can expect a veterinary college. Talk about this year cutoff, so it will definitely change and it's expected that it will increase. So if you're getting less rank, then your chances of getting a government veterinary college will increase. And if your rank is very high, that is it's if it's in lakhs or if it's high, then your chances will automatically decrease. So let's talk about the NEET score. So if you are from general category and you're scoring 550 plus marks in NEET exam this year, then you can expect a good government veterinary college. Again, I'm saying this is a prediction, nothing is confirmed. So we are just predicting, okay? And if you're not scoring this much marks, then it's not like you will not get college at all. It depends on the cutoff and it's just an idea. Next, talking about OBC category. So if you are scoring 540 plus marks in NEET exam this year and you are from OBC category, then you have chances that you will get a good government veterinary college through VCI counseling this year. So in case you are not scoring 540, let's say you are scoring 520 or 530, then also chances are there, but you are not in a safe zone. If you are scoring 540 plus, then you will be in a safe zone to get a college. So chances are there, but we can only predict now. We cannot tell exactly what will be the cutoff. Likewise for EWS category, if you are scoring 545 plus a NEET exam, then you can expect a good government veterinary college through VCI counseling. If we talk about SC category, if you are scoring 420 plus in NEET exam, then you have a high chances of getting a good government veterinary college through VCI counseling. In case you are not scoring this much marks, then don't lose hope. You should participate in the counseling and it depends on the cutoff. So it's just a prediction. Next, coming to ST category. So if you are scoring 350 plus marks in NEET exam, then you can expect a good government veterinary college through VCI counseling. Now, those students who are not getting this much marks in NEET exam, do not lose hope. Participate in the VCI counseling, wait for the results, because the cutoff changes every year and it depends a lot of factors. So do not lose hope, do not panic. Okay, wait for the counseling to start and participate in it and wait for the result. You may get a college, you never know. So I hope this video is helpful for you. That's all in this video. You can follow me on Instagram and Telegram also. Links I have mentioned in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.